how do you enable the ChatGPT voice mode? So first you want to open up ChatGPT whether on your browser or on your mobile device. So on browser you want to go to chatgpt.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you want to click on your profile button here on the bottom left side, then go to settings, and from here go to voice category and make sure to set the model to live. And then for the language, you can either leave it at auto detect or you can specify a specific language and then switch the voice that you want to use. And then you can basically close that. And now all you gotta do is start a new chat and click on this button here to start the voice. And once you click on it, you can allow your mic or your permissions, and then you can start talking with ChatGPT. And now your voice mode should be enabled. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.